Stephen Fenech from Tech Guide here, and today we're reviewing the Galaxy Z Flip 3, third generation of this device from the same family of products as the Galaxy Z Fold 3, but that's an entirely different product for an entirely different customer. We have reviewed the Fold 3 already, but the Flip 3 is for your more fashion conscious customer, design conscious customer who wants a large screen when they need it and a product that can actually fold in half and easily slip into your pocket or bag for the next time that you need it. The Galaxy Z Flip 3 and the Galaxy Z Fold 3 couldn't be any more different. The Galaxy Z Flip 3 is for your customer who does want that large screen but doesn't want to carry a large device, and thankfully this is a product that can deliver on that. You do get this 6.7-inch display, but when you want to put it away or hang up your call, you simply fold it in half. On the design side, the Galaxy Z Flip 3 still has this tiny little gap near the hinge. There is a little bit of space there that puts less pressure on the hinge, but when you do unfold the device, it does fold out completely flat, just like a regular smartphone. The device is also made out of tougher aluminium, and it's also water resistant, so there's two features that make it a lot better than last year's model. But one of the biggest changes you'll notice is the front screen. There's a lot more screen space this time out, and it allows you to do a whole lot more. So you can actually scroll through notifications and different features. There is a way to see if you've received a message. You can see calls when they're coming in. You can also control your media content as well. You can even use it to take a selfie. Just a double tap on the side key and you can scroll between video mode and photo mode and still take your phone using the same cameras that you would even when it's open. These two front cameras here, you can still take your video or your selfie without even opening the device. And just like the Galaxy Z Fold 3, there is actually a fingerprint reader on the side of the Z Flip 3. Having a foldable screen, having an in-screen fingerprint reader just wasn't a possibility because of the foldable display. They just could not do that. So that's why they've included the fingerprint sensor on the side. But it's really comfortable to do it because it's actually where you would put your thumb anyway when you're opening the device. So still has the fingerprint security, just not in the screen. It's the button right here on the side. One thing I like about the Z Flip 3 is that the phone actually can be held open at any angle that you like. So the hinge is strong enough for you to position it however you want. So whether it's completely open, halfway open, even 2/3 of the way closed, that hinge can stay in place. Now that's useful for a feature called flex mode, especially if you want to take selfies. So what you do, you can open up the camera, and when in this mode, if the camera detects that the phone is folded in this position, it actually splits the screen in two. So the top half here, you'll be able to see yourself to position yourself for your picture. And then all you need to do is hold up your hand and it will begin a countdown to take the photo. Of course, we love taking photos with our smartphone, and the Z Flip 3 camera system is impressive. It's not to the same quality that you would find on the Galaxy S21, for example. Those phones, their camera systems are a lot better. So the sort of quality you get from your photos and videos, if that is the focus of what you want to do with the device, then perhaps maybe the Galaxy S Samsung device is more for you. Don't get me wrong, the Galaxy Z Flip 3 can still take a great photo, just not to the same quality as those other devices. We've been using the Galaxy Z Flip 3 for a few weeks now, and I've got to say I'm really impressed with the battery life. Battery normally lasted at least a day and a half. There were some times where I would have taken it fully charged at 9 a.m. on one morning, and by 5 p.m. the next day it was still going. So 2 full work days I was getting out of the Galaxy Z Flip 3. So generally it easily go through a day, often a day and a half, but in my case I sometimes got nearly 2 full days of use out of the Galaxy Z Flip 3 battery. So it's not going to leave you stranded. Battery life is really impressive. The Galaxy Z Flip 3, it's available this week. It's going to be priced at 1,499 Australian dollars. If you want to read our complete review, check it out at techguide.com.au. Thanks for watching.